Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to crop video on Filmora application using mobile device. Cropping a video in Filmora application using a mobile device is a straightforward process, so here is how you can do it. First of all, install and open Filmora application using your mobile device. Once you open up Filmora app, click on the New Project button appearing on the main interface. Now this will take you to your mobile device's camera roll, from where you can select a video you want to edit. Select the video by tapping on it and then clicking on Import at the bottom right. Now you will be taken to the editing screen. Tap on the video timeline on the middle and then look for the crop tool option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on crop once visible and then you will see a cropping frame over your video. Adjust the cropping frame by dragging the corners or the sides to select the area you want to keep. You can also move the entire frame to reposition the cropping area. Also, feel free to choose a specific aspect ratios available at the bottom. And after you are done with the edit, click on the tick mark at the top right corner. Finally, export your video by clicking Export at the top right and then choose one of the export settings and save the video to your camera roll or share it directly to other social media platforms. And that's how you will be able to crop video on Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.